Cows on the farm go moo, 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 moo.
I never had me a little girl before.
It's downtown San Antonio right there, folks. World famous Buc-ee's. Look at that, the fudge factory. That's real beef jerky here, bro. Fresh as it gets.
It's all about the family.
Oh, lordy, look at this good stuff.
Your kids okay?
There's Texas finest. Sheriff Jim Bob Jones.
House. What is that?
We're on Highway 304 North now. We're gonna go to the Texas Chainsaw Remake House.
Hey, are you okay?
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
And there's the house. We're gonna drive by and get a little closer. Let's go ahead and keep on trucking. That's the one, brother. Oh my God, is that not? And there's that mill. We'll leave the truck running just in case we need to haul ass. Roll down your window. This is the house that they use. Straight ahead.
You ain't running things, boy. Set your mouth.
That is creepy as hell.
You're so dead you don't know.
Let's get a closer look at some of this stuff. See that? In the window right there. I'll just take a couple of pictures. Do not block driveway, thank you, so they're courteous. On one of the videos I saw, there were some little brochures here saying that obviously you're here for the Texas Chainsaw. More than welcome to take a look at it at a distance, but you cannot go onto the property. They have it gated, obviously with a big old Texas star.
Sheriff don't live here.
Because you never know who's up in that damn house for reals.
Wipe your feet. Let's keep a clean house.
I know, I feel like they got bugs crawling on me. Yeah. Look at him, man, he breakdancing. He says, that way. Go look at, they're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. Look at them. I came for the Texas Chainsaw House and I got fighting spiders. Look at that. They're striking a pose. Leatherface is coming, I'm rolling. All right, that's not what we came here for. But we thought I'd throw that in. What's that? I saw that. People, man, they don't respect shit. I know, right? Oh my gosh, that is so creepy. It's absolutely cool though to come and be able to see this. This is where that chick be running. Guy be putting that barn back there. getting all jacked up. Billy Bob and Jim Bob and Bebop and Rocksteady.
Man in uniform.
Goodness, what the heck? I think that's where the little fat ladies were. And they're having their little tea party and shit. And they're running. But the cop. We could if you want.
May not remember what we say here tonight. They sure as shit gonna remember what we do. Mama, I told you Charlie's dead. It's Hoyt now. Sheriff Hoyt.
Where those folks got slaughtered, they crashed into the cow. And the biker chick tried to outdo them. And they met their doom with the sheriff.